As President-elect Joe Biden seeks to restore, among the many things lost over the last 4 years, presidential leadership that follows the science and the scientists, with promises of a White House coronavirus response that will, for the first time, echo our scientists, and calls for mask wearing and widespread vaccinations. His greatest challenge will be convincing this America, where hundreds continue to protest COVID restrictions meant to keep them safe, and where 12 Republican governors still have not mandated statewide mask wearing. And efforts by local leaders to tighten restrictions are met by the fiercest of resistance. A public health meeting in Boise, Idaho, ended abruptly yesterday due to intense protests outside the health department building and outside the homes of a few of the officials participating. Yesterday, more than 2,000 Americans died from the coronavirus. So far, more than 289,000 Americans have been lost, and more than 15.3 million Americans have been sickened. Joining our conversation, Matt Viser, national political reporter for The Washington Post, and Anne Rimoin, field epidemiologist and professor of epidemiology and director of the Center for Global and Immigrant Health at UCLA Fielding School of Public Health. Anne Rimoin, talk about the variable or the potential impact that having a president who will sort of row in the same direction as the scientists, who will amplify Tony Fauci instead of contradict him and debate him and undermine him from the White House. What is the potential if we use the bully pulpit of the White House to get out fact-based information?
Well, Nicole, this is really going to be a change in how we're managing COVID-19 here in this country when we have our leaders actually using science and modeling good behavior that everybody can see will make an enormous difference. A perfect example here is this issue of having Christmas parties all of a sudden. When we're telling the United States, we're telling people, listen, you can't get together with your families. We need everybody to do the best we can. Yet we see these groups of people completely flouting these rules and going against science and public health. It creates mixed messages. We have a void. And as we know always, what this does is it creates a situation where people don't know who to believe and what to do. I think that the Biden transition, if we can get there in time, will save lives. And that's the bottom line. We need to save lives.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.